children, today let's start with chapter number 10, fun with magnets. In this chapter, we will study about fun with magnet. So let's study now. The first magnet was not invented, but rather discovered from a naturally occurring mineral called magnetite. This हम lodestone भी कहते हैं. So we can say that they are natural occurring magnets that attract pieces of iron. The word magnet comes from Greek word, जिसका मतलब है stone from magnesia. Right? A part of ancient Greece where lodestones were found when suspended, so they could turn were the first magnetic compound. The earliest known description of magnets and their properties, they come from Greece, India, and China. So the properties of lodestones and their affinity of iron were written by Pliny the Elder in the Encyclopedia Natural History. What is magnet? It is a substance that has the property of attracting anything. जिसमें आपका iron होकर, right? It always comes in best in the north-south direction when suspended freely. और small pieces iron को towards itself interact भी करता है. Right? Then we have natural and artificial. So let's study about natural magnets that have low magnetic power. और ये बहुत कम places पे आपको देखने को मिलता है. Lodestone and magnetite ये दोनों natural magnet है because they are found in nature. किसमें मिली है? Nature. Then we have artificial magnet. Like we have horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, bar shaped, U shape, right? These are prepared by humans. Okay, at the time they are stronger than natural magnet. ज़्यादा stronger है. Then let's study about the magnet. Basically, we have two types: permanent and temporary magnet. So if we talk about permanent magnet, that it is magnetic for a long period. जो temporary होता है, ये कुछ certain condition तक ही रहता है. Right, so let's study about the magnetic and non-magnetic. Magnetic कौन सी होती है जो attract करती है magnet से? वो magnetic substances होते हैं like iron, cobalt, nickel. Right, जो attract नहीं करते, they are non-magnetic like aluminum, copper, brass, stainless steel, wood, and plastic. Now let's study about the properties of magnet. What are the different properties? So ferromagnetic material are substances that are inherently magnetic in nature. They get attracted to magnets when subjected to magnetic field, right? Although these materials are magnetic in nature, they do not possess the property to attract other ferromagnetic material by themselves. Like we have ferromagnetic material, iron, C, cobalt, nickel. They are material that produce magnetic field और वो ferromagnetic metal like C, मतलब iron, cobalt and nickel को attract करता है. The important properties क्या क्या है? एक तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होती है, पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट वो ग्रेटर होती है, ज्यादा होती है उसके मिडल से. दे अट्रैक्ट फेरोमैग्नेटिक एंड दे आर सस्पेंडेड फ्रीली. और जो लाइक पोल्स है मैग्नेट के वो रिपेल करते हैं एक दूसरे को और अपोजिट पोल्स क्या करते हैं? अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. राइट, नाउ एक्टिविटीज गिवन टू यू, देन यू कैन मेक योर ओन मैग्नेट सिंगल टच मेथड से. आप एक पीस ऑफ मेटल ले, आयरन ले, स्टील ले, ठीक है, और उसको प्लेस करें बेंच ऑफ द टेबल पे एंड देन ब्रिंग अ ब्रिक बार. तो उससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? मैग्नेट खुद भी बना सकते हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मैग्नेटिक कंपास. So the Chinese navigator Zhang reported to be the first use compass as a navigational instrument. Today it is used in aircraft. हम aircraft में इसका use करते हैं, ships में, land vehicle में. A magnetic compass is an instrument which is used to find direction. It has a small case जो किसका बना होता है? Non-magnetic material का, and the dial of the compass has the direction which is marked on it. और जो magnetic needle होती है वो हमेशा end में north south direction होता है. ठीक है? Then what is demagnetization of magnet? So a magnet can be demagnetized, made to lose its magnetism, keeping two magnets side by side. So like poles next to each other. Heating the magnet, hammering the dropping or rough handling of magnet. It is demagnetized. Uses हम electric meter में, refrigerator में, doors में, dynamos of vehicles, automobiles में इसका use करते हैं. They are used as magnetic compass जिससे आप direction find कर सकते हैं. They are used in strips of ATM cards to store information. Nuclear magnetic resonance imaging, which is used to study the brain. Magnets, they are used to pick up iron pieces from junk. नेक्स्ट इज कंप्यूटर हार्ड डिस्क में इनका यूज करा जाता है इन्फॉर्मेशन को. देखो कंप्यूटर की जो हार्ड डिस्क होती है वो भी आपका उसमें मैग्नेट का यूज करा जाता है. इसमें आप अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करके रखते हैं. राइट, मैग्नेटिक टेप्स यूज्ड एज ऑडियो वीडियो टेप्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल व्हिच इज कोटेड ऑन प्लास्टिक. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेट. मैग्नेट लूज देयर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी इफ दे आर हैमर्ड. अगर उनको हैमर करा जाता है. मैग्नेट कीपर्स आर पीसेस ऑफ सॉफ्ट आयरन दैट आर प्लेस्ड बिटवीन अपोजिट पोल्स ऑफ द बार. Magnets should be kept away from television, mobile phones, CDs and from computer. right? This is all about in this chapter we have completed. So let's study with the exercise. हम start करते exercise को. First is tick the correct option. Multiple choice. First is magnet. Magnet should be kept in a wooden box, iron cupboard, magnetic keeper, or none of these. Magnetic keep. Magnet always rest in north-south direction. A ferromagnetic material, जो ferromagnetic material होता है, it can be magnetized, cannot be magnetized, none of the above या all of these. So it can be magnetized. A magnet will attract iron, wood, water, plastic, iron. Which of the metal can be used to create artificial magnet? Needle. Magnet become dash if they are not stored properly. कैसी हो जाती है? Weak हो जाती है. Right? Now let's see. Fill in the blanks. First is magnet that are not natural. उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Artificial magnet. They are known as the reason around the magnet where its magnetic influence can be felt, it is called its magnetic field. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Magnetic. Magnet has always dash pole. Magnet के कितने पोल होते हैं? Magnet have always 2 poles. Like pole repel, unlike pole attract each other. A dash is an instrument used for navigation. Compass. Compass. Magnet attracts dash object. Magnet कैसे object को attract करता है? Magnetic. Next is write T for true and F for false statement. A magnet always has 3 poles. False. कितने होते हैं? 2 होते हैं. A bar magnet is a natural magnet. False. ये artificial है. It is made by men. Similar pole of magnet repel each other. Similar pole जो होते हैं वो repel करते हैं. Rubber is a magnetic material. Rubber magnetic material. False. A magnetic compass is device used to find direction. It's true. Artificial magnets are made by nature. False. They are made by men. Right? So let's study with the match the following. First is magnetic material, bar magnet. Non-magnetic material. इसमें से non-magnetic material क्या होगा आपका? Thermocol. Natural magnet, lodestone. Artificial magnet, cobalt. Compass, direction finder, magnetic poles, the 2 poles of the magnet. Now let's start with the subjective type question. First is short answer. What is magnet? आपको define करना है. Difference बताना है magnetic and non-magnetic material में. आपको 2 properties बतानी है magnet के, उसके uses भी बताने हैं. Right? How can compass? Compass को हम कैसे use करते हैं to find direction? Long answer, explain magnetism. Then you have to explain the process by which iron rod can be magnetized. What are magnetic and non-magnetic substances? Right? Write the process of making magnet. Magnet कैसे बनते हैं? आप उसको पूरा process बताते हैं. What care should be taken while handling magnet? जब आपको magnet handle करने हैं तो आपको क्या process follow करना है? That you have to get. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.